Hello, this is Springfield, Missouri disability attorney Jason Krebs, and in today's video we wanted to address something that is very important to your case and is kind of one of the great mysteries of Social Security disability law, and that is, what is an onset date and why does it matter? Now, your onset date is the date that you became disabled under the Social Security definition of disabled. It can be, this is where it gets very confusing, because sometimes it's the date of an accident, maybe if you never went back to work after that date, or maybe we've had situations or seen situations where an individual had a leg or arm amputated on that date, and that's the day. It's a very simple process, so to speak, for Social Security. It's an easy calculation for them, because they know this person was fine before then, and then afterwards they never went back and they had this terrible accident or injury on this particular date. Where it gets confusing and more difficult is for slowly progressing illnesses, or problems that are degenerative in nature, or just getting worse and worse and worse over time. And that's where the documentation side of things is so important, because sometimes Social Security Administration or a judge will pick a date of a medical test, or an MRI or an X-ray or a blood test or something. So the sooner you have that documentation, that may be the farther back you can push the onset date. Now, pushing onset dates is one of the main problems that we see people do, is they think, well, I got diagnosed with lupus 20 years ago. I'm going to say 20 years ago was my onset date, even though I've been working for the past 19 years. Well, you've made it easy for Social Security, because they're going to deny you automatically based upon that. So you have to be able to show why now. What is it about my condition now that is going to affect my ability to show up to work every day, 8 hours a day, 5 days a week? So, one of the main mistakes we see people making in their onset date is they want to get some huge back award, so they try to go back 5 or 10 years, or even 3 or 4 years, where there's just no documentation. Or certainly if they were working and making money, it doesn't matter what's wrong with you under the Social Security regs. So it's real important to think and have an understanding of what your onset date means, what it means to Social Security, and if anything, err on the side of caution. Don't try to go way back when you might have had the problem, but if it wasn't well documented, or if you were still working, it's not the date of the onset. So we do offer a free book to people in Missouri and Arkansas, and we encourage you to get that, KrebsLawOffice.com, or 417-883-5886, or 1-800-345-0535. Best of luck, and thanks for watching. Bye.